you want to learn Ojibwe language and culture, you've come to the right place. Need you to learn about it all. Welcome to BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. BOOZHOO, BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. La, 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 la. Nummy.
Hey everybody! Welcome back to the show! Welcome back to BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Not a BOOZHOO.
BOOZHOO.
So please welcome Not a BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
Okay, welcome back to the show.
I got no time and I don't know why. I got no time and you don't know why. I don't know why, but I don't feel right. I don't feel right. I don't feel the same way today. I don't feel the same way today. Do you really like North Dakota? Wouldn't you rather live in Minnesota? The days are short and the nights are colder. She doesn't know because I never told her. I have no time. I don't know Well, hey everyone. Just want to remind you, if you'd like to support the show, you can click on the link and become a Patreon supporter. You can, for $5 a month or $10 a month, you can support the show. And if you'd like to order some, Ojibwe books by Michael Lyons, just click the link to Amazon. All right. Well, hey, just want to say thank you for watching BOOZHOO, not a BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is not a BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawabamin, Minowa, Hawa.
Oh,
All right. Okay, so now for some B-roll goofiness.